The 12 Honest People. In a land of castles and kings, there lived a brave knight named Arthur. One day, the king's baker accused Arthur of stealing a delicious cake. "He must be punished," cried the baker. In those days, deciding if someone was guilty was very strange. One way was the ordeal by fire. The accused person had to hold a hot piece of iron. If their hand didn't burn, they were innocent. Arthur was scared. There must be a better way, he thought. Another way was the ordeal by combat. The accuser and the accused would fight. People believed the winner was telling the truth. The baker was very big, and Arthur didn't want to fight him over a cake. The king, Henry II, was a wise and fair ruler. He saw that these ordeals were not a good way to find the truth. "This is not justice," he said to his queen. "We need a new way." The queen had an idea. "My king," she said, "why not ask the people who know Arthur and the baker? They can tell us what really happened." The king liked this idea. He called for 12 honest people from the village. "You know these men," he said. "Listen to their stories and tell me who is telling the truth." The 12 people, called a jury, sat and listened. The baker told his story. He said he saw Arthur take the cake. Then Arthur told his story. He said he was practicing with his sword in the castle yard all morning. He even had a friend who saw him. The jury talked amongst themselves. They knew Arthur was an honest knight. They also knew the baker sometimes forgot things. They decided Arthur was not guilty. The king was very pleased. "This is a much better way to find the truth," he declared. And from that day on, the trial by jury was used in the land, helping to make sure that justice was fair for everyone.